This is an art attack. This is an art attack. This is art attack. Hello there. Welcome to Art Attack. How'd you turn yourself into a super fit human being in less than 5 minutes? Well, for a start, you don't need this. Let's see. Oh, you don't need this. What you need is this. A large sheet of paper or card and a strip of paper big enough to go round the front of your head. And you need to just twist this little end bit there. And this is a real good way of measuring the front of your head. Now what I'm going to do is take a pencil and draw a rough oval there, just using a strip of paper that I've just used to measure my head as a guide. It doesn't have to be accurate at this stage. That should do. And then you cut it out. And when you've cut it out, try it on for size. And if it fits, start bodybuilding. Right, now what sort of body do I really want? Thick neck. Now I think I need a muscle. I think I have 2 muscles actually. In fact, let's go over the top with muscles. Now when you're drawing muscles, I think it's just a case of drawing a big pile of balloons on your arm. There's an arm there. Another arm with a hand on it. And let's see, bodybuilder's chest that I've worked up on the barbells I had over there. I don't think. And then let's put some trunks on down here. Now, I don't know why, but to me, these bodybuilding supermen always seem to have trunks on that are far too small. So there you go. And now, the old super strong legs, the muscles bulging, knee, there it is, down the bottom, muscle on the back of the leg. And now, for the feet, 1, 2, 3, 4 toes, and a big one on the inside. And 1, 2, 3, 4 toes. Good tip to remember, big one on the inside. And there's your feet. And when you've done it, see if it fits.
Oh, I feel like a new man. What do you think?
Yes, very nice. But so is this. Colour it in, cut it out, stick it to some backing card, cut a semicircle for your neck, a hole for your hand. It all adds to the effect. And what about this?
Cut out a picture of a body from a magazine, cut off the head, stick it to some card. Yes, I think this is the body for me. So there you are. In less than 5 minutes, you can give yourself a brand new body. Of course, sometimes it can go hideously wrong.
So, with just a large sheet of paper and some imagination, you can change your body. You know the body I've always wanted? Nelson's! Then I could sit proud over Trafalgar Square. There are, of course, some drawbacks.